How to add a song to TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now tap and hold the capture button to record a video. Then, go to the top and tap on Add Sound. Here, you can view all the available sounds on TikTok. Go to the Favorite section to add or view your favorite sounds. Explore the sounds and select the one you like to add it to the video. You have now successfully added this sound to the video. Then tap on Next at the bottom to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily add a song to TikTok.